And the race is on. Halo Dancer from the outside. Explosivo. Orthodox in between runners moving up by the rally center number 3. Poker Chip. It's now Explosivo by Alenkana, followed by Orthodox on the outside. By the rally is the favorite. Halo Dancer. Classic Play racing forward by about 5 lengths. Moving up by the rail is Puma in between runners. Poker Chip and Magalang is running at the tail of the field inside the last 700. Explosivo by about 2 lengths, followed now by the favorite Halo Dancer. Alongside is Orthodox. Puma is racing forward by about 3 lengths together with Classic Play, Poker Chip and Magalang as they race the last 500. Explosivo. Then here comes Halo Dancer on the outside as they race the final corner. Explosivo. Halo Dancer is on the outside fighting it out for the lead. Explosivo. Halo Dancer rushing up on the outside, moves up to take the lead. It's now Halo Dancer, Explosivo, Puma, and nearing the finish line, the favorite Dancer, Explosivo, Puma, Poker Chip, Magalang for your Pentafecta. Then comes Classic Play and number 6, Orthodox.
Unofficially,